Hey, I'm Jeanne. I'm the VP of Marketing at Spiceology, and today I am joined by Chef Tony Reed, who is our Executive Director of Culinary. Today we're gonna make a corn cake with pulled pork, a slaw, and lime crema.
Sounds good.
Pork, salt, quarter cup of jalapeno lime Pilsner, 1 sweet onion, a half a cup of orange juice. Will you get me a cup of water, please? Hey! Corn flour, a tablespoon of Smoky honey habanero, Smoky honey habanero corn cakes with a jalapeno lime Pilsner pulled pork, purple cabbage slaw, some pickled jalapenos, and a lime crema.
That's really good.
Are you being honest, or are you just doing that for the camera?